Two groups of 6 apples. How many apples? Answer, 12. What is 65 minus 55? Answer, 10. What is 2 minus 0? Answer, 2. What is 11 minus 8? Answer, 3. What is 10 minus 9? Answer, 1. Put in order, 80, 48, 100. Answer, 48, 80, 100. What is 3 plus 3? Answer, 6. Two groups of 5 apples. How many apples? Answer, 10. Find a way to make 7. 5 plus? Answer, 2. What is 46 minus 26? Answer, 20. Put in order, 23, 58, 6. Answer, 6, 23, 58. What is 10 minus 3? Answer, 7. Find a way to make 7. 1 plus? Answer, 6. What is 9 minus 1? Answer, 8. What is 15 minus 4? Answer, 11. What is 9 plus 8? Answer, 17. What is 5 plus 9? Answer, 14. Find a way to make 6. 4 plus? Answer, 2. What is 6 minus 1? Answer, 5. Write division sentence for 15 divided by 3. Answer, 15 divided by 3 equals 5.